Delhi and Maharashtra have confirmed bird flu after samples tested positive for avian influenza. Besides Delhi and Maharashtra, the outbreak has been confirmed in Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. On alert, the central government yesterday said it has directed zoo managements to submit daily reports to the Central Zoo Authority till their area is declared free from the disease. Delhi has confirmed bird flu cases after samples from dead crows and ducks tested positive for the avian flu. India continues to show a downward trend in the new number of coronavirus cases. With tally at 1.46 crore, it accounts for the second highest cases for COVID-19 infections globally. A media report said, when it comes to the active number of coronavirus cases, India stands at the 14th spot on the global tally, figures updated by global data tracking website Worldmeter shows. The 5 most affected states by total cases are Maharashtra 19,65,556, Karnataka 9,26,767, Andhra Pradesh 8,84,689, Tamil Nadu 8,25,537 and Kerala 8,06,603. Troops of 43 Assam Rifles Moray Battalion organized Suvigya Cell Camp for the ex-servicemen at Moray today. The camp was to review if the ex-servicemen were getting their pension on time, shortcomings of the families of ex-servicemen, etc. Veer Nari and war widows also attended the camp. There is a speculation that many migrant laborers have illegally entered Manipur through Jiribam district inner line permit checkposts without possessing the inner line permits. Our correspondent reports that after the implementation of inner line permit system in the state, outsiders have been banned to visit the state without getting an inner line permit. The Jiribam administration and Jiribam police have remained alert to prevent outsiders from coming into the state without the ILP card. A team of Imphal police intercepted a Guwahati-bound Tata truck coming from Lilong via North AOC. The police recovered 105 soap caps containing suspected heroin from the vehicles, weighing around 1 kg and 383 gram worth rupees 1 crore in international market. The police arrested the Tata truck driver on the spot. A suo moto case has been registered at Imphal police station. Manipur's COVID-19 caseload stands at 28,660 after 11 new cases were registered in the past 24 hours. As per the data from the COVID-19 Common Control Room, the fresh cases are from Imphal West, Imphal East and Bisnupur districts. With no fatality in the same period, the death toll stands at 365 as of now. The active cases are 490, while the recovery cases are 27,805. The state's recovery rate stands at 97.01%. Harvesting of organic turmeric cultivated by farmers of Kakching Organic Producer Company under the Manipur Organic Mission Agency of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur has begun. More than 500 farmers have been engaged in collecting the organic turmeric planted at Kakching Khuman Kerzing Hill. The ashes of former 3-time Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi were immersed into river Brahmaputra at the historical Nitai Dubhuni Ghat in Dhubri by his son Gaurav Gogoi. The statewide program to immerse the ashes of former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi in the rivers of every district of the state ended yesterday. On the last day of the statewide program, the former Chief Minister's son, Kaliabor MP Gaurav Gogoi, performed the rituals at Nitai Dubhuni Ghat, Dhubri in the presence of a large gathering including Congress MLAs Rakibul Hussain and Wazid Ali Chowdhury. Amid farmer unions' protests continue against the new farm laws, the Supreme Court is scheduled to hear several pleas challenging the new farm laws and agitation at Delhi borders today. Media reports say the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice S.A. Bob will hear the petitions related to farmers' protests. A number of PILs have been filed in the apex court citing law and order situation and inconvenience to the people living in the Delhi NCR region due to the protests. The discussions between the central government and the farmers' union are yet to find out any solution to the issue. The 8th round of talks between the centre and the farmer unions on January 7 failed to yield any positive results as the government ruled out repealing the contentious laws.